Are you looking for a way to earn extra money? Maybe a legitimate way to earn from home? What if I told you there's a way to earn passively? You don't have to do anything complicated, you just set it up and forget it. This is a real opportunity to earn. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to earn with a special tool. It's called Honeygain. I have a link for you right here. Click it to get started and claim your bonus. This is the first step to unlock a new income stream. You can earn money while you sleep, work, or play. It's that simple. Imagine your computer or phone working for you. This isn't a dream, it's a reality for millions of people. They use Honeygain to earn money every single day. You can be one of them. The best part, it requires no investment from you, zero. Getting started with Honeygain is incredibly easy. I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you need to create an account. Use the link I provided earlier to make sure you get your starting bonus. Once you've created your account, download the Honeygain application. It's available for various platforms. After you've signed up, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is where you can see your earnings and manage your account. Select the correct version for your device. The installation is straightforward, just follow the on-screen instructions. Once it's installed, you are almost ready to start earning. Open the Honeygain app you just installed. Use the same email and password you used to create your account. Now, your device is officially part of the Honeygain network. The app will now run in the background. You can install Honeygain on multiple devices. The platform allows up to 10 devices connected to a single account. So how does this all work? What is Honeygain actually doing in the background? Honeygain is a crowdsourced web intelligence network. Businesses need to access the internet from different locations. They use this for checking ad placements, comparing prices, and testing their websites. They need to see the internet as a regular user would from a specific country. This is where you come in. Your device becomes a gateway for these businesses. When you run the Honeygain app, you securely share unused internet bandwidth. Let's talk about privacy and security. The app never accesses your personal data. It doesn't look at your files, emails, or browsing history. All traffic is fully encrypted. Your earnings are calculated based on traffic through your devices. You're paid in Honeygain credits for every byte shared. 1,000 credits equal $1. You can track your progress in real time on your dashboard. The more you share, the more you earn. It's a direct and transparent system. So you've set up Honeygain. Awesome. But how can you earn more? Use more devices. Install the app on every eligible device you own. That old laptop, your spare phone, put them to work. A faster, stable connection leads to higher earnings. Run Honeygain on Wi-Fi rather than mobile data. Also take advantage of the referral program for 10% bonus earnings. Don't forget the Daily Lucky Pot. It's a simple bonus game where you click to win free credits. Small amounts that really add up over time. Waiting for payout thresholds can be frustrating. Honeygain solved this with JumpTask mode. This is a game changer for faster access to your money. By enabling JumpTask mode, earnings go directly to your JumpTask wallet instantly. There's no minimum payout. You get your earnings as you earn them. You get instant payouts plus a bonus on all earnings. Once in your JumpTask wallet, you can hold Jump tokens or convert to cash. Full control from day one. When dealing with online earning platforms, trust is everything. Honeygain gets this. Just look at their Trustpilot rating. 4.6 stars out of 5 based on tens of thousands of reviews. A score this high shows the vast majority of users have positive experiences. The company is very open about how their system works. They want users to be informed. They've operated for years and paid out millions globally. Whether you choose PayPal payout or instant JumpTask mode, you can be sure you'll receive your earnings. We've seen how you can earn money online with zero investment. We've walked through the simple steps. The only thing left is for you to take action. This isn't complex, it's true passive income. You set it up once and it works 24/7. It's a smart way to make your existing devices generate value. Don't let this opportunity pass by. Click the link, sign up, and download the app. It takes less than 7 minutes. By tomorrow, you could have earnings accumulating. Your journey to effortless earning starts now.